Why transition elements act as a catalyst? See, there are so many transition elements which behave as catalyst. For example, V2O5, it is used as a catalyst in contact process to convert SO2 to SO3. Then nickel, platinum, palladium, they are used as catalyst in hydrogenation of alkenes. Cobalt is used as a catalyst in the decomposition of bleaching powder. MnO2 act as a catalyst in the decomposition of H2O2. Then most important, Wilkinson catalyst, it is used in the hydrogenation of alkene. Why these transition elements act as catalyst? It is because of their ability to adopt multiple oxidation states. As they adopt multiple oxidation states, they can behave as a catalyst. And second is they can provide large surface area for the reaction to take place. These are the two reasons. I repeat it again. First is they can adopt multiple oxidation states, and that's why they can form intermediates. And second is they can provide large surface area for the reaction to take place.